and welcome to Body Metrix. My name is Adrienne Delgado and I am a registered dietitian. In today's episode, we are going to make a dessert. So often my patients ask me for a healthy dessert option that's not fruit. I wish I could say there are a bunch of ideas out there, but really, fruit is the best, healthiest option when you're looking for something sweet after a meal. However, if you're not satisfied with that answer and need a little chocolate to satisfy your sweet tooth, I'm going to show you a quick cake idea that has a secret ingredient I promise no one will ever recognize: garbanzo beans. Now, it's not often you'll come across a high-fiber cake option, so you're in luck today. For this recipe, you will need 1 1/4 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 can of garbanzo beans, rinsed and drained, 4 eggs, a 1/2 cup of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of confectionery sugar. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is prepare our pan. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray a 9-inch cake pan with a little bit of cooking spray, and this is just so it doesn't stick. And then we're gonna add a little bit of flour at the bottom, again, just to help. This is a very moist cake, so we wanna help this process along of keeping it or helping it to get out of the pan. So it looks just like this. All right, next we're gonna take our garbanzo beans and our eggs and we're gonna put them in a food processor. This cake is so easy to make. It takes about 5 minutes. It's that fast. I love cakes that are quick and easy. Who has time to be making a cake all day? All right, put this in our food processor, and we're just gonna process until it's all chopped up. That looks good there. To my mixture, I'm gonna add my sugar and a little bit of baking powder, and again, process. There we go. Perfect. And finally, we're gonna add our chocolate chips. Now what I did was I went ahead and melted these chocolate chips. You can either do that in a microwave. It takes roughly 2 minutes. You wanna stir about every 30 seconds until it's melted. Or you can make a double broiler and heat your chocolate over the top pan so that it doesn't burn. So we'll add that right to our processor. Looks good enough there. Oh, perfect. And then we're going to process one more time until the chocolate is all incorporated into our mixture. Just going to quickly scrape down the sides so don't leave any ingredient out. I'll just do that one more time. And that's it. We're done. Take our batter, fill it into our prepared pan. Move this over here a little bit. Take this out of the way. The nice thing about this cake is it's naturally gluten-free, so because it's using the beans instead of flour. So if you have a gluten intolerance, this might be a good option for you. Close enough. All right, so at this point, we are gonna take our chocolate cake and we're gonna put it into a 350-degree oven and we're gonna bake it for 40 minutes. At that point in time, you take it out of the oven, test it with a knife, just make sure it comes out clean. Let it cool for about 10 or 15 minutes inside the pan. And then if you want, you can actually take it out and put it on another plate if you'd like to use that for serving. After it's nice and cool, you can take a little bit of that confectionery sugar and dust it on the top. I already made one earlier today, and to show you what it will look like. But this is a great, easy option that's healthy, has lots of fiber, and again, there's no gluten in it, so it's a great option for those that need gluten-free. And there you have it. Quick, easy, and more fiber than your traditional chocolate cake. And it tastes amazing too. I promise no one will ever know you put beans in it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great week.